are starting word processor Tableau presentation. Table is a grid of rows and columns. A table is useful in organizing and presenting data in an effective way. Like if you want to maintain the telephone number and address of your friend, then you can record by making a table. Creating a table, there are many ways to create a table. To create a table, you have to open the document, MS Word document, then on the Insert tab, in the Table group, click the drop down arrow. Click the Table drop down arrow. From the Insert Table Grid, which is shown in the figure here, in the Insert Table Grid, which is shown in the figure here, select required rows and columns. You can even draw table option. You have to follow certain step. On the Insert tab, in the Table group, click the Table drop down arrow. Click the Table drop down arrow. From the drop down menu, select Draw Table option. Drag the mouse to draw rows and columns. Please try activity 3 in your computer. Page 40, entering text in a table. You can enter text into a table by clicking the cell and then typing in it. Press the Tab key to move to the next cell and type the data again. Now you have to practice the shortcut keys which are there in your computer and check whether they are working properly and practice it. Like Tab key, allow moving from cell to cell in a table in the left to right direction. Shift plus Tab key, allow moving from cell to cell in a table in the right to left direction. Like this you have to move. Alt plus Shift plus End allow you to select from the current place to the end of the row. So all these shortcut keys and activity 4 you should try at home. Moving and resizing a table. You can move and resize a table in a Word. To move the table, click and drag the handle on the upper left corner of the table. Release the mouse button where the table is dragged to the desired location. So you can move like this. How? Click and drag it. It is shown here. To move the table, click and drag the handle. To resize a table, click and drag the handle on the lower left corner. On the lower left corner of the table. Release the mouse button when the table is resized. There is another way to move a table. You can see in the tech help, you can select the entire table by clicking the move handle. Click move handle to select the table.